This is the Lumia 35,000 Windows phone. Look at all these great specs. We'll just unbox it and find out for ourselves on today's episode of Board Smoking Grosh Phones. It's obligatory that I throw this plain Rocky 123 out the window. Come on. Come on. This is gonna be my first experience with the and probably my last. Hurry up! Hello? Okay, Twitter. The store has no Twitter. No Spotify. Instagram. No. And I doubt it'll have this, but Snatch. No. Netflix. There is Netflix on this. Nice. Alright, next. Let's see if it either has next. Hello? Okay, yes it does. There's no app. And that concludes my testing of what apps it has. I'll see you guys later with that. Bye. No.
Later.
Oh!